Hi Dressed Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Owl from Winnie the Pooh. So let's get started. To draw this wise old owl, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, about right here, and draw another one. So just leaving enough room in the center for a beak. So now that we have the two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. And come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come into the center and draw the beak. So I'll come down a little bit, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center. From there, I'm going to bring this down both sides. It's just nice and even both sides. And then I'm going to connect it with a slight curve towards the center and then go back up. And then we're going to draw the bottom of the beak. So come back right here and we're just going to draw a curve right under. Now that we have the beak in, let's come back to the eyes and I'm just going to add some details. So let's come above the eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then at the bottom right here, let's add a curve. So I'll just come over here and taper in. It's easier for my hand to go that way. And then on this side, same thing. I'm just going to add this curve right underneath the eye. There. So then from there, we're going to come to the top of this beak, come up a tiny bit, right in the center, about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve basically over this beak. And then come down. And same thing here. I'm just bringing a curve down. From there, I'm going to go straight up again and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes up above the eye. And we're just going to start to draw the face of our owl here. So same thing over here. Just drawing a curve right above. From there, I'm going to basically bring this down and connect right back to here. So let's bring this curve all the way down around the eye. And I'm going to start to connect it. So about right here, I'll bring it down. And so like say about the center of this beak and come back up and connect. So let's do the same exact thing on the other side. So go down and let's drag a point across. So approximately the same level. So about right here and connect. Right back. There. So we're just creating this shape around the eyes. From there, let's come to the top once again towards the center part and we're going to draw the brow feathers. So let's come out nice and big. And I'm just going to draw in 3 curves and taper it in. So same thing on this side. Nice big curve and about right here. 2 and 3. There. And then now we can go ahead and draw everything else around. So before I do that, let's come down here. Remember where the beak is. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down on both sides. So this is going to separate the white feather area. And so I know that's approximately right there. I'm going to come back right here. And I'm going to start to build the sides. I'm coming out. So it's getting a little bit wider and about right there, kind of like at the bottom of this eye. I'm going to come in with some feathers. So just some curves and then just bring it right back. So about right here. Nice and full. So I'll bring this down more. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect at the bottom with a curve. And then I can bring this right back in. There. So let's do the same thing on this side. So right here, we're just going to come out just like the other side. And about where the bottom of the eye is, we're going to start with some feathers. Curve, curve, and then we're just going to bring it all the way back here. There. Okay, so hopefully I made that a little bit easier for you to draw. So everything is pretty even. That's the nice thing. So it makes it a little bit simpler. Okay, so then now we have the face, and let's go ahead and draw the body. So we need to give him a big puffy chest, right? So say about right here. And let's say about right here. Nice and even. We're going to draw a curve down. So this drawing here is basically inspired by the Funko figure of Owl here from Winnie the Pooh. So let's bring this down. They're just so cute, those characters. Those figures, I mean. Okay, so we're just bringing this down, and then we're going to taper it in. Just bring it in a little bit. Bring it in a little bit. And then about right here, I'll come down. Straight, and let's work on this side. So let's find my center first. So this is my center. Bring it down. Come down right here. I'm bringing down with the legs. So now I just want to find my center so I kind of know where I want to end. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here. So I know that's where I want to go. So I'm going to bring this down and up. So right here, we're going to do the same thing. Come down, and about right here is where we curve. And we're just going to come right back to here. So I'm just going to use this, come this way. It's a little bit easier. And then go ahead and just connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's since we're down here, let's draw the feet. So I'm going to come out a little bit, a curve, and then right here, I'm going to bring out, angle, and come down. Oops, and come down. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect at an angle. So, and then we're just going to add one more right here next to it. There. So same thing over here. Come out. And then right here, we're going to go out. And so right here, just like the other side. And connect. And then one more. There. Okay. So we have the feet in. Round it off a tiny bit. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the wings. So right here, I'm going to come out, and we're just going to have them tucked behind. So it's just a lot easier to draw, right? Just like the figure. So about right here, I'll pop it out, and then I'll taper it in to about right here. And bring it in. It's much easier to draw, right? So same thing here. We're going to pop it out a little bit more about right there. And then we can start to bring it in. And I'm just dragging points across, so it's just easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. And in. Now to draw some details in here. So let's come back to the center part right here, and we're going to go up a little bit with a straight line. And my goal is basically I'm going to be drawing this curve right here to separate the legs from the chest. So come about right here. So just imagine a curve about right here. I'm just going to bring this down to the center. So same thing here. Just skip a little bit, and then right here, bring in a curve. So now it's separated, right? Okay, so then for some markings on the feathers right here in the chest, let's see here, nice and center. So I'll stay about right here. I'll start. They're basically just ovals, right? So 2 right in the center. And I'm just going to make a heart one because I need to put a heart on this owl, right? And I couldn't figure out a good place. So I'm just going to make one of these things a heart. So there, kind of see it. And then one more right here on the side. Same thing over here. And then one here. So just by starting in the center, it just makes it a little bit more even. And hopefully you can see that this is a heart. And that it makes sense. And that is pretty much it for this wise old owl from Winnie the Pooh. Hope you love how this turned out and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And definitely check out my Winnie the Pooh playlist if you love these characters. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.